Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I will walk you through how to activate a Lycamobile SIM card in the Netherlands in 2026. So first of all, you need to make sure that your phone is unlocked and it is compatible with Dutch mobile networks. Then insert your Lycamobile SIM card into your device and turn the phone on. Now in many cases, the SIM will begin the activation process automatically once it connects to the network. Afterwards, you just have to simply wait for a welcome text message from Lycamobile. This particular message usually confirms that the SIM has been recognized and activated on the network. You may also receive a second message containing your new mobile number and the plans. So if your SIM required manual activation, you just have to simply come here on lycamobile.nl website, which is the website for the Netherlands. So when you are over here, you just have to simply go on the activation page. So you will find the activate button over here. So when you are on the activation page, you just have to simply provide your SIM card number, the ICCID number and the PUK code that will be found on the SIM packaging. Afterwards, you just have to do nothing but to just simply follow further on-screen instructions in order to complete the registration. So as soon as the registration completes, you just have to make sure that you restart your phone as well, and this is going to help you refresh the network connection. Now on any step, if you face any kind of problems, you can just simply come here on the website and then you can just simply contact them. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.